What force opposes the motion of sliding objects? Friction. What tool is used to measure humidity? Hygrometer. What is the chemical formula for table salt? NaCl. What type of energy is stored in food? Chemical energy. Which branch of science focuses on the study of living organisms? Biology. What is the primary function of a cell's nucleus? Control cell activities. What causes the seasons on Earth? Earth's axial tilt. What kind of animal is a Komodo dragon? Reptile. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? (32°F). Which is the smallest dog breed in the world? Chihuahua.